Hey, I got another new Sofirn in front of me here. Just to start this off with, the more of these flashlights that I get, the more impressed I am with this company. The price-wise, they nail it. Reasonably priced flashlight. And every one I've gotten so far, batteries that they come with, I am thoroughly impressed with them. They pretty much almost outdo Panasonics that I got. Samsungs and everything. Every battery I've got from them is awesome. But on to this specific light, I just want to tell you a little bit about it first before we get into more detail on showing it. This thing's running 1200 lumens on turbo, and there are 5 modes. Eco mode, which is 5 lumens, which is just ideal for in the house and that. And you're talking 291 hours of runtime, and I haven't run it dead on that, but I can pretty much assure you, you're probably going to get something out of that with eco mode. The 5 lumens is ideal. And like I said, there's 5 modes on up to turbo, very easy to use interface. And you do have your strobe and SOS. And a throw on this, they're saying 225 meters out of this slender little flashlight. And it's running a Cree XPL High V3 emitter. And that would be about it for the specs. I might try to hold yeah, you can see that. You want to pause it, check that out, you can. Position it right there. Pauser. The light itself, I almost dropped it, but I caught it. Typical Sofirn. This is called the SP31V2.0. Build quality, quite excellent. And I can't stress enough, price-wise, you just can't beat these lights. They're pretty nice. This battery it comes with, this is a 3000 milliamp, and I do believe probably a high drain. I can't see on here, doesn't say, but it does a dang good job. Like I said, the interface is awesome. You got your little green LED to show it's charged. That doesn't stay on real long, but 5 lumens on the lowest mode. Basically just touch the side switch, next mode up, that's second, third, fourth, and that's 1200 lumens. Very pocketable light. It's comes with a micro USB charger, and yeah, it's kind of a generic charger, but it gets the job done. You get a lanyard with it and some spare O-rings. Kind of weird. We'll stick with happy. I brought it to work numerous times. But like I said, this company's impressing me. With that said, let's get out and get some beam shots done, huh? Alright, I got a tree at 62 meters. We're going to crank this Sofirn up. And I do believe I am on high. And look at that. Absolutely no problem at 62 meters out of this little slender light. That is just downright awesome. I'm sure all these frogs down in the creek are wreaking havoc on my mic. But 62 meters. We spin her down a little bit. You're looking at 94 meters right there, that tree. And it hits that just beautiful. Back behind there, upwards 170 to over 190. I don't think this thing's gonna reach a lot farther than that. As you can see up into that wood line up there. You know, it is touching it. Camera's set up just the same as my unaided human eye. It'd be hard to tell. I mean, if there was eyes shining, you'd definitely see them. But right in there, about 170 meters, you can make that out pretty easily. So that's pretty nice on this. Dropping it down, the lowest mode, it is hitting that tree. Second mode up, definitely hitting it. Third mode up, no problem. That's awesome. And then I do believe that's just the high mode. Wicked. There's the turbo. Awesome little light. Okay, I got my car headlights on my Nissan sitting here on high beam. These are HIDs, very bright lights. We're going to take this Sofirn and turn that light on about 30 feet back from the car headlights. Give you an idea. The thing washes them out pretty good. Of course, that's on the highest mode. I'm going to step down by the car headlights. That's right in front of right on the car headlights. So I'm doing them HIDs. A lot of light output for a little tiny skinny pocketable light. You notice there up close, that's too bright. Some cats sitting there. That's the lowest mode. Pretty awesome. Alright, we're going to test this Sofirn out with the lux meter at 4 meters away and calculate the throw. I want to see how good this does. And we're on high. 4 meters back. Actually what would be called turbo. Check her out. Right there's the formula. 784 lux at 4 meters. Squared 16, you take that times 16 divided by the brightness of the moon, 0.25 gives you 50,176. The square root of that, 224 meters of throw. Good job, Sofirn. I don't remember what the specs were, but that's pretty good. There you are, the Sofirn SP31V2. Very pocketable light. Put it in your pocket. You got incredibly long runtime. A real high mode if you want it. And one thing I didn't cover, that 1200 lumens runs for 2 hours and 37 minutes. Pretty awesome. But go ahead and check that link out down below on this light and check out some other Sofirns. So there you go. Till next time.